Hello, hello. Just got done watching Ghostbusters Frozen Empire. This is the one from 2024. It is a 1 hour and 55 minute long, rated PG-13. The Spengler family teams up with the original Ghostbusters to save the world from a second ice age. I thought they did pretty good on this one. What'd you think, Lisa?
Yeah, I enjoyed it. Yeah, it's a good one. I like how they wrapped the old Ghostbusters with the new ones in this one.
Yeah, I made references to some original stuff and brought some of the characters from the last movie in. So yeah, I thought they did a really good job with it. I'd give it easy.
Solid 4.
Yeah, easy 4 out of 5.
Yeah.
If you're a fan of Ghostbusters as a franchise, then certainly I would say this is worth a watch for sure. I probably wouldn't watch it a second time just because, I don't know, for me it felt like it was a little slow to get to the point.
Yeah, it did drag it a little bit.
I understand they were building story to, get you there, but
I'm sure they're going to continue to the next one eventually or something.
Yeah, I'll be interested if they wind up doing more with the series
and this one, yeah.
Or with the brand.
It says it's an adventure comedy. I would say
it's a what?
Supernatural adventure.
Yeah, supernatural, because there really wasn't any comedy.
I mean, if anything, it's so light. It's
to be found.
Yeah.
If you have not seen this Ghostbusters Frozen Empire, I'll link it below, and you can check it out there. Thank you so much to whoever has been using my Amazon links. Thank you. That is gratefully helpful to me. I get points to spend on Amazon, which allows me to do things like rent this movie so I can review it for y'all. So thank you very much. If you have seen Ghostbusters, let me know what you thought of it. And yeah, I'd say it's a good one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.